Good afternoon, my friends. How are you guys doing today? Welcome to this video review about weight loss. Like, so many people try to lose weight, I have friends who go every day to a gym. I have friends who only eat diets. I have friends who eat nothing at all, wishing to lose weight. So there is just like a lot of people doing different things to lose weight, but they don't know about the Essential Keto Gummies, which is why I popped by here today to talk to you about the Essential Keto Gummies. If everyone knew about these gummies, weight loss would be so much more easier. There would be thousands and thousands and thousands of people out there today who would be so much more fit and slim and wouldn't be paying, expensive monthly gym fees to do a workout that takes forever to make them lose weight. Now, I will be talking about these gummies, and already lots of people use the Essential Keto Gummies, so you're not going to regret it, okay? I left their official webpage link in the description box below this video, so you can pop by there afterwards to learn more about the Essential Keto Gummies, to make a purchase, to talk to customer service. Like, their webpage is 100% clear and transparent. They give you all the details and infos you need, okay? But guys, the Essential Keto Gummies are gummies that contain all the right ingredients your body needs in order to lose weight. And when we're talking about letting go of like stubborn fats and visceral fats, it's hard to do that, without a proper diet. It is hard. Luckily though, the Essential Keto Gummies has this blend of ingredients that are exotic, that are special and unique, that will target all of these stored fats and get your body into ketosis mode within 1 week of taking these gummies. So yes, this formula is 100% natural. It holds no side effects, it has no GMOs and no stimulants and even no gluten. Once you start using these gummies, as I said, in a week you're going to be in ketosis mode and your body will start the weight loss process. So it's going to actually be melting down the fat stores for energy, not carbs, okay? Not carbs. Your fat stores are going to be your new source of energy. So these gummies are excellent in providing you with fast weight loss, double the weight loss, and amazing results. That's why people go crazy over the Essential Keto Gummies, because of how fast they get results. But of course, it is really important that you don't skip out on any days, that you don't do interruptions, that you remember that every day you're going to be taking one gummy. So once your body starts the weight loss process, it's quick. I mean, you're going to be melting down fats over fats over fats and becoming just so much more energized and full of disposition, all right? The Essential Keto Gummies are excellent, and if you take it seriously, the results you're going to be getting are going to be simply marvelous. People are going to go crazy over you, wanting to know your secret. People are going to be asking you what the heck you're doing that you're losing so many weight. And you're going to see as your confidence and your self-esteem is building up and you're becoming so much more happier with a new version of you. Don't forget as well, guys, you have a money-back guarantee. So if you need a refund of some sort, you can just talk to customer service on the official webpage and they will help you out, okay? Thanks for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I'll see you folks next time. Bye.